Nothing brings ASO strategies to life like seeing them in action. In this lesson, we're diving into real-world case studies to show how top apps leveraged ASO to rise to the top and how you can apply their tactics to your own growth journey. Let's start with Calm, the meditation and sleep app. Calm didn't just rely on beautiful visuals or a catchy name. They focused on keyword relevance and long-tail optimization. Instead of targeting only high-volume keywords like meditation or sleep, they invested in phrases like guided meditation for anxiety and sleep stories for kids. This targeted approach helped Calm reach niche audiences while still capturing broad search traffic. Calm also localized their App Store listing into over 20 languages. This isn't just about translation, it's about understanding what resonates with users in each market. Localized screenshots, descriptions, and even app preview videos gave Calm a huge edge in global markets, driving millions of organic installs. Another powerful example is TikTok. While TikTok's growth was initially driven by paid campaigns and viral content, they understood the power of ASO early on. Their team used A/B testing to refine every aspect of their listing: app icons, screenshots, and even the order of features they showcased in the description. These iterative changes boosted their conversion rates dramatically. TikTok also focused on user-generated reviews. They actively engaged with their audience to encourage positive reviews and manage negative feedback swiftly. This created a positive feedback loop, with high ratings improving both organic rankings and user trust. Let's talk about a gaming example, Among Us. This indie game became a global sensation in 2020, and it wasn't by accident. They leveraged trending keywords tied to social gaming and multiplayer experiences. But more importantly, they understood that retention was key. They continuously updated the app with new features and seasonal content, keeping players engaged and driving strong retention rates, a critical ranking factor in the app stores. What do these examples teach us? First, ASO success isn't just about hitting the right keywords. It's about understanding your audience deeply and creating a listing that speaks directly to their needs. It's about using data, like conversion rates, uninstall rates, and keyword rankings, to constantly improve and stay ahead. Second, localization can be a game changer. Whether you're a small indie developer or a global brand, meeting users in their own language builds trust and relevance, opening doors to massive new markets. Third, ASO is never one and done. The best apps don't stop once they're live. They iterate, they experiment, they stay agile. And in 2025, that's more important than ever. In the next part of this course, we'll break down how to apply these same principles to your own ASO strategy. You'll learn how to build an optimization roadmap, how to prioritize what to test, and how to create a system that adapts to trends, competition, and user feedback. Remember, these case studies aren't just success stories. They're roadmaps. Take what worked for Calm, TikTok, and Among Us, and tailor it to your app, your audience, and your mission. That's how you turn data and creativity into unstoppable growth. Let's dive in and make your app the next great ASO success story.